But how come you're charging me that much? Come with me as I explain Entrepreneurship 101. We pay business expenses way before we pay our bills. The video meeting invite I sent you, we pay for that. The invoice you received, we pay for that. The videos where we upload, the storage, we pay for that. The platform that we use to pre-schedule your content in all your social media platforms in a certain timing, we pay for that. Those educational videos I post on social media? Yeah, I pay for that. Someone has to edit the videos, the social media has to post it, other person have to send a really good newsletter that you find a lot of value because you keep watching them. I see you opening my emails every week. The college degree I got from marketing, even though it wasn't very useful because it really didn't teach me social media marketing. I'm talking about my own entrepreneurship and business. Yeah, I pay for that. The amount of hours and work I researched and implemented to learn social media marketing so you can succeed, I pay with my own time. Oh, I'm not even talking about bills like phone, electricity, Wi-Fi, taxes. The tools that we use like the Adobe Premiere and CapCut Pro to edit your videos, we pay for that. PayPal processing fees, and let's not talk about the work that we do. So the teamwork, if the social media manager, the video editor, the money that I send to them on top of the fees I have to pay to send those money to them, I pay for that. And this is still not all, but now that I'm thinking about it, I probably have to overcharge you more because I feel I'm undercharging you.